Curtis, you have 3 minutes to say. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
They are camels.
Yes.
They weigh 1 mouse.
Good.
There are 11 sheep.
Yes.
There are 2 mice.
2 mice. Yes.
There are 9 ducks.
Yes. 9 ducks.
There are 12 people.
Yes. 12 hippos.
There are 8 elephants.
Yes.
There are 7 goats.
7 goats.
There is no horse.
No horse. There is no horse.
There is horse.
No horse.
No.
Yes.
There are 6 birds.
6. 6.
This
6 pigs. Yes.
they are for this snake.
Yes. 14 snakes.
They are 20 rabbits.
Yes.
They are 20 lions.
Yes.
They are 30 tigers.
Yes.
There are 4 cows.
Yes. 4 cows.
There are 5 fish.
Good.
There are 40 frogs.
20 crows. Yes.
There are 16 cats. There are 18 monkeys.
Yes.
There are 17 birds.
Bears. 17 bears.
There are
Curtis.
19 dogs.
There are 19 dogs. Curtis, I have more questions for you. What animal do you like, Curtis?
Animal is a bear.
I like bears.
I like bears.
Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite animal, Curtis?
My favorite animal is the horse.
When you go to the zoo, what animal can you see in the zoo, Curtis?
I can see a dog.
Dog? In the zoo, what animal can you see? I can see
I see
bears, tigers, lions, hippos.
bears.
Yes, okay, thank you, Curtis.